Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. I know you've already picked up your camping grill. Maybe you got the Tailgater Pro and you think, wait a minute, I need an accessory for it. Well, here at Camping Worlds, we sell propane and propane accessories to help make sure your camping experience is the best that it can get. Love these little double Coleman propane tanks right here because they're perfect for the tag-along grills, perfect for the tailgaters. But more importantly than that, I wanted to remind you, yes, we do sell the little propane tanks. We sell the big propane tanks, the 20s and the 30 pounders, but we also refill propane tanks. Whether it's for your RV or for your grill, just like the one you have at home, you can bring it to your local Camping World or Gander RV and Outdoors and get that sucker filled up with some fresh propane. And while you're at it, buy you some propane accessories. So make sure that camping experience is the best that it can be by visiting your local Camping World or Gander RV and Outdoors today, or shop online, campingworld.com or ganderoutdoors.com.